Welcome to Reflections and Light, a journey into one of photography's most captivating and transformative techniques. Today we will explore how reflections can elevate your photography from ordinary to extraordinary. For this session, we have three key objectives. First, we will discover how reflections fundamentally change the way viewers perceive and experience your photographs. Second, you will master practical techniques for creating compelling reflections images that tell powerful visual stories. And finally, we will explore the technical aspects from working with water and reflective surfaces to manipulating angles, light, and perspective for maximum impact. The story of reflection photography in the Impressionist tradition begins in the late 19th century, when photographers started to move beyond mere documentation. They began to ask, what if photography could evoke emotion, atmosphere, and mystery rather than simply record facts? Photographers, influenced by the Impressionist painters, turned to their reflections as a powerful visual language. Reflections become a way to fragment and soften reality, mirroring the shimmering, broken brushstrokes of Monet and Renoir. They saw that reflections, whether in water, glass, or metal, held the power to transform the ordinary into something poetic. In them, light dances, colors blur, and the boundary between the real and the imagined begins to dissolve. By the early 20th century, reflections were no longer just visual curiosities. They became central to an expressive approach to photography. Within a single frame, photographers could capture two realities: the world as it is and the world as it might feel. Today's creative photographers continue to explore this duality. Through reflections, they invite us to see not just what's in front of us, but what lies beneath the surface, revealing new ways of seeing light, space, and emotion. What transforms a simple photograph into something that stops viewers in their tracks? Often, it's the presence of reflection. But why do reflections hold such power over our perception? Reflections fundamentally alert how we process visual information. When we see a reflection, our brain performs a fascinating dance. It simultaneously recognizes the real subject and its mirrored counterpart, creating a rich, layered viewing experience. Research shows that viewers spend 40% more time examining photographs with prominent reflections. Why? Because reflections create visual puzzles. They force us to decode which elements are real and which are reflected, engaging our minds actively rather than passively. Reflections are master illusionists. They can make a shallow puddle appear infinitely deep, or create the impression that we are looking through a window into another world. This sense of expanded space transforms flat two-dimensional photographs into portals with genuine depth and dimension. There is something inherently contemplative about reflections. They mirror our own introspective nature. The way we reflect on our thoughts, memories, and experiences. This psychological connection makes reflection photography particularly powerful for conveying mood and emotion. While the traditional rule of thirds applies to reflection photography, there is a specialized version we call the rule of reflection thirds. Instead of placing your horizon on a third line, consider how much of your frame you want to dedicate to the reflection versus the source. A 50-50 split creates perfect symmetry and balance, but often giving more space to either the source or the reflection creates more dynamic tension and visual interest. Perfect mirror reflections can sometimes feel static. The mirror break technique introduces intentional disruption. A bird landing on water, wind creating ripples, or objects that exist in reality but not in the reflection. These breaks create visual tension and guide the viewer's eye through the composition. Advanced reflection photography often involves multiple reflective surfaces working together. Think of photographing through a window where you capture the scene beyond, the window's own reflection, and perhaps your partial reflection as a photographer. These layered reflections create incredibly rich, complex narratives within a single frame. Water is your most versatile reflective partner, but it's also the most temperamental. Still water acts like a perfect mirror, but even the slightest breeze transforms it into an impressionist brush, breaking reflections into abstract patterns of light and color. The key is learning to read water condition and adapt your approach. Still water demands precision in composition and timing. Slightly disturbed water offers opportunities for more impressionistic, emotional interpretations. Cities offer a treasure trove of reflective opportunities beyond water. Glass buildings become vertical mirrors, creating geometric patterns and urban canyons. Rain-soaked streets transform into reflecting pools, doubling the city's light and energy. The challenge with urban reflections is controlling complexity. Unlike natural water reflections, city environments can become visually chaotic. Look for clean, simple reflective surfaces that isolate your subject rather than competing with it. Don't limit yourself to traditional reflective surfaces. Polished metal can create warm golden reflections. Ice offers crystal clear reflections with their unique textural elements. Even wet leaves or dewdrops can create micro-reflections that add magical details to macro photography. Understanding the physics of reflections is crucial for consistent results. The angle at which you view a reflective surface determines what you will see reflected. This principle, called the angle of incidence, means that changing your position by even a few inches can dramatically alter your reflection. Get low to emphasize sky reflection in water. Shoot from above to capture what's directly below the surface. Move side to side to control which elements appear in your reflection. The quality of light directly impacts the quality of reflection. Golden hour light creates warm, glowing reflections that seems to emit their own light. The low angle of golden hour sun also means more light skims across reflective surfaces, intensifying the reflection effect. Blue hour offers a different magic, the balance between ambient sky light and artificial illumination creates reflections with incredible color depth. City lights reflected brilliantly in water during this time, while the sky maintains detail rather than going completely black. Positioning yourself so that light comes from behind your subject creates dramatic grim lighting effects. The reflection often becomes brighter and more prominent than the subject itself, creating a powerful visual reversal that challenges viewer expectations. Try creating reflection photographs that are completely ambiguous, images where the viewer cannot determine which is the subject and which is the reflection. This challenge forces you to think about balance, symmetry, and visual weight distribution. Move in close to reflective surfaces and focus on abstract patterns rather than recognizable subjects. This approach emphasizes the artistic and impressionistic qualities of reflection photography over literal representation. Use reflections to tell stories about your portrait subjects. The reflection might show their environment, their profession, or create a metaphorical representation of their inner world. As we conclude this exploration of reflection photography, remember that reflections are more than technical techniques. They are philosophical tools. They invite viewers to question reality, to see the world from multiple perspectives simultaneously, and to find beauty in the interplay between what is and what appears to be. Challenge yourself to capture reflections. Experiment with different surfaces, angles, and lighting conditions. In reflection photography, there is no mistakes, only different interpretations of reality. The world is full of mirrors waiting to transform your photography. All you need to do is to learn to see them.